This beautiful planet of ours gives us everything we need to survive, but we take it for granted. It gives us air to breathe, water to drink, soil to grow crops, trees that bear fruit. Not all planets give as much. Planet Earth is truly a gift. Can we start acting like it is a gift and stop abusing Mother Earth? Can we do that? The planet is suffering to the point of irreparable harm, and we don't notice enough and are not doing enough to stop it. Can we each do something, whatever you can, to help yourself and the planet, whether that's recycling or reducing your carbon footprint some other kind of way, whatever you can. Everyone's contributions matter. It's a win-win when we help ourselves and the planet. It's important for us now and in the future. If you agree, click like and follow. And click the link in my bio for a business idea to help yourself and help planet Earth.